and I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers. And you will know my name is the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon thee.
I think you're gonna find when all this shit is over. I think you're gonna find yourself one smiling motherfucker. Thing is, Butch, right now, you got ability. But painful as it may be, ability don't last. And your days are just about over. Now that's a hard motherfucking fact of life. But that's a fact of life your ass is gonna have to get realistic about. See, this business is filled to the brim with unrealistic motherfuckers. Motherfuckers who thought their ass would age like wine. If you mean it turns to vinegar, it does. If you mean it gets better with age, it don't. Besides, Butch, how many fights do you think you got in you anyway? 2? Boxers don't have an old timer's day. You came close, but you never made it. And if you were gonna make it, you would have made it before now. You my nigga? Certainly appears so. Night of the fight, you may feel a slight sting. That's pride fucking with you. Fuck pride. Pride only hurts. It never helps. You fight through that shit. Because a year from now, when you kicking it in the Caribbean, you're gonna say to yourself, Marcellus Wallace was right.
I have no problem with that, Mr. Wallace.
In the 5th, your ass goes down. Say it.
In the 5th, my ass goes down.
Oh, Vincent Vega, our man in Amsterdam. Jules Winfield, our man in Inglewood. Get your asses out in here. God damn, nigga, what's up with them clothes?
You don't even want to know.
Where's the big man? Big man's right over there taking care of some business. Why don't you hang back for a second or two, you know?